Welcome to The Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. This is the show where we teach you how to cook. Today we're gonna make the secret recipe that my mama used to make. Now to make this recipe, I need the finest ingredients. Only the best for Chef Gazpacho and his mama. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Those are gonna taste, bella. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Mamma mia, I did something wrong. I know these two foods were right. Maybe you can try to figure it out. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by